Will Miami be home to the world's next tallest building? The massive Minneapolis complex would tower over its Watson Island location at a staggering 3,000 feet, 375 feet higher than the current world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa. The self-proclaimed city within a city would boast everything from an observatory to a museum, restaurants, condos, a marina, even an amusement park. The structure has been designed with a curved shape to resist hurricanes and a LEED certification to ensure efficient use of water and energy.
The idea is to have a pedestal, and the pedestal relates more to the site and to the ground. It has a program which is substantially public. And then there's a vertical element, high-rise, which comes out of it, which is, again, used for public, but also for private sector program. The roadways, what we are proposing is to modify them and elevate them with water fountains, which also would have glass on the bottom. So, in essence, what would happen is that as you drive underneath, instead of being in a tunnel, you would have the light shimmering from above.
As chief architect, Karp has been designing Minneapolis since 2008 and says the sprawling complex will take years to build. Minneapolis also promises to be more than the world's tallest building. It aims to stimulate recession-hit Miami, potentially providing thousands of jobs and billions in revenue.
This project is not designed as a for-sale project substantially. It has programs and marketing values which are completely different. It evolutionized really from the grassroots of understanding that the city is really a driver behind this because the land is owned by the public. The building will be built by public programs and funds.
Critics of the project doubt Minneapolis will ever get off the ground, thanks to pending building height approval from the Federal Aviation Administration and the issue of raising capital, since construction will cost billions of dollars. Despite these doubts, Karp remains hopeful that Minneapolis will be built.
It might be the best time to build such a structure because the costs of material, labor is low, and the desire and the need to employ people at this period of time in our life is very high. So those kind of combinations sometimes arguably could work in a benefit of a project like this or similar.